Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this video, we want to provide answer to this question and similar triangle. It's a question that came under WASSCE September 2024. In the diagram, triangle PQR is similar to the triangle PWY, where the length of WY is parallel to QR. The length of QR is 15, the length of WY is 6 centimeters, and that of WP is 4 centimeters. We have to find WQ. So for similar triangle, we can also find their ratios of their corresponding sides. The ratio of their corresponding sides is going to be what? Equal. In better still, looking out for the scale factor that will be used to transform one to the other. Now, using the triangle PWY, this is the horizontal side, right? So this, the ratio of this will be corresponding to this. So these two can be formed to find a ratio. So we are going to redraw this and label here as what? Y. Then I can say that picking the bigger one, which is 15 divided by horizontal side, which is 6. This is the ratio of the horizontal length. And that should be equals to the ratio of the left slant side as well as the right slant side. So this is PQ, forming the bigger leg of the triangle, right? So that will be 4 plus Y divided by the slant left of the smaller triangle will be 4. The ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. This will also be equals to PR divided by PY. That will also give you the same corresponding ratios. So now we can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have 6 multiplying 4 plus Y. Then 15 times 4 will be giving us what? 60. So 4 times 6 will be 24. 4 times Y, 6 times Y will be 6Y equals to 60. This is a linear equation where we make 6Y to stand as a subject. So 6Y will be equals to 60 minus what? 24. This is positive. It becomes negative. So 6Y will now be equals to 3 here. That will make it 5. Okay, so we have 36. We are going to find Y. So 6Y divided by 6. 36 divided by 6. That will make Y to be equal to 6. Therefore, the length of WQ we are looking for will be 6 centimeters. So this will be 6 centimeters and this will be 10. Combined to become what? 10 from here to there. That will be 10. Alright. I guess the concept is clear. What is employed in the similar triangle? All we need to know is the corresponding size. The ratio of their corresponding size are going to be the same. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.